From mew to meow. How long does it take for a kitten to grow into an awesome adult cat? Let's find out. First off, kittens grow super fast. In the first 6 weeks, they're all about exploring their world and learning to walk, jump, and pounce. By 3 months, they're already little bundles of energy, playing non-stop. At 6 months, your kitten is a teenager. Expect some rebellious behavior and lots of curiosity. Around this time, they start hitting growth spurts and might look a bit lanky. By the time they reach 1 year, your kitten is pretty much an adult. Though some larger breeds might take up to 2 years to fully mature. But don't worry, they'll still have plenty of that playful kitten spirit. And there you have it. From tiny paws to regal claws, your kitten's journey to adulthood is a wild and wonderful ride. Keep those treats handy and enjoy every moment. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more purr-tastic content.